Hi, my name is Caden, here on TheFatRat Epic, and today we're going to be reviewing the Nerf rival, Hades. Let's get right into it. To open this, you're going to need your knife, cut the tape. See, I did a good job. You got your box here, your stupid ammo. Stick that in your massive thing of rival. Your one little extra ammo, you know, because Nerf's too cheap, you know. Next, go ahead and cut these little flaps on here. They're kind of like, you know, I wish they had the elastic ones. Let's go ahead and get that cut too. And now you have your blaster. This is no longer needed. So now let's get into the review. They're throwing the instructions at me that are useless. So now let's get into the review. Let's talk about how good it is, where its faults are, and FPS readings. Let's go. Right, so today we got the Artemis, Hades, and the Prometheus. If you want to see the review that we did on our channel, our first video, there will be a link in the description. So, Hades right here. This is Artemis, it's its little brother. Hades is about twice as long as it. It's still the exact same internals. Hades is actually a bit, no, it's a bit longer-ish than the Prometheus, but the Prometheus is better.
Wouldn't the Artemis technically be the older brother to the Hades?
Well, the Artemis is technically smaller.
Yeah, but it's technically older.
Whatever. So this is the older brother. This is the younger brother that's bigger than it and better. Not really though. Same exact internals. I think they might have did something with a lock. That's about it. It has this annoying, massive, you know, just the massive safety. I mean, this thing's got an okay. It's out of the way. But I mean, this thing's got a. Can we just have a small button, Hasbro, please? Overall, it's a nice gun. It holds 20 in each tube. I love the massive. I love how you can stock it. This one you can't stock it. You have to buy an extra stock thing for it. I love how it comes with 59 rival balls and the one extra one. You know, they're throwing mega darts at me, but just like I like the one extra. It's lovely. It's just, oh man, I love it. I'm done critiquing this gun. Overall, this is kind of one of my favorite guns. I still love the Apollo. Apollo is still great. I still think this gun can definitely outduel this one. I don't know. It's kind of easier to do this one. This one also has some lock that prevents you from shooting it too quickly, or it just might be the fact that it's not meant for that. Overall, good gun. The FPS on here, about 100, maybe 95, 105. This thing was around 95. This thing is definitely more than 100. This thing shoots very fast and it actually hurts. I'm immune to these, but it hurts. So now we're going to get into our other guy here. The other reviewer who just critiques it. No, you don't jump in. He just critiques the thing. That's all he does. He just sticks on critiquing it.
Shut up.
He just critiques it, so let's segue into that now.
Hi, Lance here with Turf Wars, giving my take on the Nerf Hades. First, I'm going to be comparing it to the Apollo, my favorite rival gun, the first rival gun, and the one that holds almost the least amount of ammo. So it holds 5, it holds 7 or 12, depending on the magazine. I only got 5 in it right now. The reason I love the Apollo so much, so I've probably mentioned this before, it's the most accurate, and to me it seems like the hardest hitting. The other one just can't do what the Apollo does. That being said, this one holds 60, so I do love that. It's so much ammo. You just destroy in here with Capture the Flag, if it's Capture the Flag. It is just amazing. A little bit of hassle to load. Other than that, I don't care. It's a great gun. A great buy for $80, considering that the Artemis is only 60. Comparing the Hades and the Artemis, not the Apollo, that was the other one, you'll notice that the handles are around the same place compared to gun size, which I don't really like because this is twice the size of this. So while you're sitting there pulling this thing back, you're thinking it's going to go farther, but it doesn't. It goes same height as that one. So it took me a little while to get used to that. After that, I really did like the gun after that because it does shoot really well. It's pretty accurate, not compared to the Apollo, but compared to all the other rifles like the Nemesis, Prometheus, and all those. Really accurate. The bullet flies up and stays pretty much where you want it. These two are pretty much the same gun, just different price. Depends on how much money you have and if you want to reload, how often you want to reload. That's pretty much the difference between these two, except for the color. Alright, I'm done.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. If you want to book a birthday party and you live around the Oklahoma City area, do that. It pays me. You go check out our Facebook. We post a lot of stuff on there. And, you know, I would say check out the review of this gun. It's really good. It's fun. I love it. This is me signing off.